So for my lesson, I will be using Kahoot, and my lesson is about adding and subtracting three-digit numbers, and I think Kahoot is a really good way to do this because it'll show us how to do that in a fun way that kids will still be engaged. I'm making this lesson for first graders, and they really enjoy games like Kahoot because it motivates them to do better because they want to win the game. So for Kahoot, you can go on this website. It's very user friendly, and you can either look up one that is already made, or you can create one yourself. So if you go to play, you can either enter a game pin of something that is already created. That's what the kids will do when we invite them into the thing. Or we can click on the home page and then we can click on the home page here and then go to discover, and we can look up math and see if there's one that's already made, or we can create one ourselves and just add like polls and trivia questions. This would be really helpful for kids because we can go over the differences between adding and subtracting. I can have a problem up on the board and have the answers in the Kahoot, and they can choose which one best fits the problem. It is timed, but you can change the time difference. And yeah. Technology makes this lesson better because it's something fun that they can do on their computers at their own seat, and then they can see who's winning in the front of the class. Like you can see on the smartboard or the whiteboard who is winning, and that really motivates kids because they do like competition, so they're going to try their best to win, and that will really help them learn the material. This lesson specifically, I will make questions that are adding up, subtracting three-digit numbers, and the kids will go ahead and answer those on their computer. I really think technology advances this lesson because it'll make the kids more engaged in what we're doing because they love to play games and they competitions with their friends.